This is Mr. T's Engineering 2 class, and you're watching
Rider News!
Thank you to Mr. T's 5th period class for starting off this year's first episode of Rider News. This week in Rider News, we have an interview with Principal Lunt, footage from the Welcome Assembly, and a new teacher feature. I'm Chloe, let's get into it. Up first, we have an interview with the one and only Principal Lunt. Let's head over to Eli.
I'm here with Mr. Lunt, and I was wondering, what advice do you have to freshmen coming to school?
My advice to incoming freshmen is to be involved in as much as you can, meet as many people, be involved with groups, be engaged, be present, and be in attendance every day.
Is there anything that we should know about you, Mr. Lunt?
Well, I'm a graduate of Port Angeles High School. I graduated in 1986. I'm the first alumni to be principal at Port Angeles High School. It's an honor that I cherish. And if I can make it through, you can.
Thank you to Eli for that interview. Up next, we have some footage from the Welcome Back Assembly. What are your goals for this year?
Definitely being successful, making sure my parents are proud, having fun, love you Chloe, and watching Rider News, obviously.
For this year?
My goals for this year are to have a wonderful year.
Thank you to our Rider News crew for filming the assembly. Now let's get introduced to Mr. Krzysiak.
I'm Cynthia, and today I have with me Mr. Krzysiak. So, Mr. Krzysiak, how do you like at that high school so far?
I love the high school. I can carry on a conversation with a student rather than the student saying "skip the toilet." It can carry on a more of an intelligent conversation.
So, what was life like in the military?
Military, tough, and but rewarding, and it's got me to this place where I am now.
That's so cool. I noticed you had some tattoos. What's the meaning behind them?
This tattoo was from we took a trip to Spain, and we saw Pearl Jam. My whole family, so my wife, my daughter, my son, we all got the same tattoos.
That's so cool. I don't know what Pearl Jam is, but I'll keep it in the noggin.
Look it up. Great band.
So, do you have any hobbies outside of school?
Oh, one of my hobbies is fishing, and then the other one is fishing, and then I like fishing too.
I heard you like fishing.
I do.
How often do you go fishing?
Every chance I get.
Really? That's a lot of fishing, man.
A lot.
So, how is ROTC?
ROTC, these kids are great. They run the class, they run the whole program. I'm just an advisor. All I do is sit and see them do their thing.
This is your first year teaching ROTC, correct?
Yes.
So, is there anything else you teach?
I teach Algebra 1. That's my first period class. And then I teach 2 PT classes, 6th and 7th period.
Okay. So, how long have you been teaching?
This is my 18th year.
18th, really? Wait, so how old were you when you first started teaching?
14. No, I was, well, that'll tell me my age. I was 30-something. 30-something, do the math.
I'm not that good at math. Thank you. Thank you for taking your time out of the day.
No problem, anytime.
Thanks to our Rough Riders for introducing us to our new teacher and keeping us updated on what's happening in our school this year. That's a wrap from News Desk. Thank you to everyone who participated in this week's episode. Till next time, be well, be kind, study hard, and ride on Rough Riders.